Gen Z do not take their health seriously. They are busy on social media. Forgetting about their health is very important. Are you Gen Z? Comment below this video, Gen Z. I will teach you something that will promote and improve your health. Number 1. Engage in physical activities such as sport, yoga, and exercise. Number 2. Eating a healthy food. And number 3. Getting adequate sleep. And number 4. Controlling of stress and reducing of stress. And number 5. Avoiding drinking of alcohol and using of drug abuse, and stop smoking. Number 6. Do not listen to music loudly. And number 7. Maintain consumption of sugar and Maggi. Number 8. Drink too much water to stay hydrated. And number 9. Socialize with friends and family. God bless all Gen Z. Love your health. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Like and comment any medicine in it. I will teach you how to make it for free. Be loved. Love your health.